Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and before we go any further, I want to wish you all a happy new year, a very prosperous new year, all the very best for 2018, and let's get into it. So today I'm going to go through the BoxyCharm January box. It is not quite a first impressions because I did give a sneak peek inside just because, you know, I just couldn't wait, and I got really excited because I saw some nice teasers on the BoxyCharm Instagram page. So, you know, sorry, but okay, let's get into it. And sorry about my nails looking so half ratchet, but yeah, I'll get them done sometime this week. All right, let's get into it. This month's theme, Rock 2018, and we have 5 products for this month. And let's see, Dr. Brandt Pores No More, the Luminizer primer. We did get the Dr. Brandt before, but not the Luminizer, and this one is an MSRP of $38. So let's see, this is it. This is the Dr. Brandt, and it's a full size, 1 fluid ounce, and it didn't come in the box. So because it didn't come in the box, it has this ingredient list, because we all need to know what's in there, and also to know if there are any ingredients that might not work for you or for me or whoever it is that's going to use it. So right off the bat, I can see it has dimethicone in there. And if you have sensitivity to silicone-based products, you may want to be a little bit cautious with using this one, especially if you get like clogged pores when you use silicone-based products. Just be a little bit cautious when using this one, the Dr. Brandt. And next in the box, so this is a $38 value. Next is the It Cosmetics Brow Power, and this is a universal brow pencil. Let me just give a look inside so you can see what it looks like. It's universal, so I'm going to assume that this is supposed to be able to be used for all shades of brows. You get the spoolie on one end, and of course you get the brow products on the other end. So what it looks like, this is what it looks like. And let me give a real quick swatch so you could see how dark or how light it is. So it's more of a taupey grayish tone, so it should be able to work for all skin tones. And how much product do you get? This, alright, so this is as much product as you get here. And this one retails for $24, and again, it's a universal eyebrow pencil, so you should be able to, whatever skin tone you have or whatever brow color you have, it should be able to work for you. And next is the Crown Pro Glam Metals palette, and this is the one that I saw the sneak peeks of on the BoxyCharm Instagram page. This is the one that I was kind of quite excited to see, so let me show you guys what it looks like on the inside. And you get 9 shadows in this one. It's mostly metallic or shimmer shades, with the exception of this black metal one. When I tried it, it's more like a satin finish. It's not a matte color, and it's not really black, or it's not a jet black. You may be able to get it to be a real deep black, or you know, a real pigmented black shade. As you can see, just the finger swatch here, it's not really black. But if you use a primer, maybe you should be able to get it looking more deep toned or more pigmented than it shows here. Let me just give a quick swatch here so you can see what it looks like. There we go. Now I have no primer on my arm. All I have is just some, you know, lotion. So that's what that one looks like. That's the black metal. So let me just do quick swatches of all of the other ones real quick. Wild Thing, Punk, Heavy Metal, Rebel, Rock On, Pop Rock, Glam Rock, and last one is the Wicked. Alright, moving on. So that's what the Glam Metals palette looks like. With the 9 shadows, it's a Crown Pro or Crown Brush product. I think a lot of us will have fun with this one. It has some nice tones in there, and as you see, it's quite pigmented, you know. Even this one, which is supposed to be, I think, the closest to a matte shade. But if you put, like I said, I don't have primer on my arm, but if you put primer on, I'm sure you're going to get it looking way more pigmented than I have it here. But all of the other shades, I would say, are quite pigmented. And they are very smooth. They don't feel scratchy or dry. So this is quite impressive. Alright, so the next one in the box, let's see. So I did the Crown Pro. Pure Complexion Authority Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette, and that's this one. So this Bronze and Brighten from Pure, and it has 3 shades in there: Blushing Glow, Afterglow, Mineral Glow, and it's meant to be bronze, highlight, and blush. So this is what it looks like. And like I said, I did go in before and, you know, play with it a little bit. I just couldn't help myself. So let's see. Let me swatch this one so you guys can see what it looks like. This is richly pigmented, right? So this is a blush, this is a highlight, and then this is a bronze. So real quick, let me just show you guys what it looks like. So that's what it, and these are quite pigmented, and they are very smooth. So I feel like these are going to be quite blendable, and it's versatile enough for it to be used with all skin tones. The only one that I'm going to be a little bit hesitant to use is this one as a bronze, because it has a fair bit of shimmer in there. That one is the Mineral Glow. That's what it's called. And yeah, it has shimmer in there. So for me to use this as a bronzing shade, I'm not too sure. I'm still gonna try it out. And the last one on the list is GirlActik Matte Lip Paint. Oh, so sorry, before I move on to the GirlActik, this Pure Complexion Authority Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette, this one is an MSRP or a retail value of $34. Now for the GirlActik Matte Lip Paint. This one is a $23 value, and let's give it a look to see what shade it is. And I do appreciate that BoxyCharm tends to send colors for lip products that are suited to your skin tone. So this shade is one that I can easily use every day for my skin tone. It's in the shade called Posh. So just a quick or small swatch so you could see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like in the shade Posh. Right, so that's what we got this month in the BoxyCharm January box. It's quite impressive, I have to say. I love all of the items that came in the box this month. It's really, you know, a versatile box that you can use a lot of the things. Well, at least for me, all of these things I'm going to be able to use real easily. And I'm very excited to get to start using it. You know, the Glam Metals palette, the Pure Bronze and Brighten palette, the GirlActik, which this is a really nice shade. I'm excited to use this. I've always had GirlActik on my list of things to try, so now I get to try it. And of course the It Brow Power and the Dr. Brandt pores no more luminizer primer. So let me know what you guys got. Leave some comments. Let me know if you got the same items or if you got different shades or if you got different items altogether. And let me know what you think of this month's box. If you like it, if you don't like it, what would you like to see different maybe from BoxyCharm? But for me, this month BoxyCharm definitely killed it. So thanks for watching, guys, and again, Happy New Year. I'm glad to see y'all come back to watch my channel in 2018. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you do like the video, of course, feel free to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.